Heart-shaped balloon tee. 10-inch tail balloons are tied together in pairs. Prepare for sets. Securely tie each group of balloons together and arrange them into a circle. Pinch the center knot and wrap the string around it twice. Take a set of balloons, pairing and tying them in pairs. Then tie it to the yellow balloon's nozzle. Pair up the 5-inch balloons. Prepare 11 sets. First, wedge the small balloon into the central joint. Then, securely attach a pair of small balloons at each outer node. Similarly, tuck a pair of small balloons into the empty space in the middle, one after another. Now, the heart-shaped balloon is done.